Oh, it's dinner time. We'll cook some good stuff. We got the steak. Gonna take a quick swig of this carrot juice. Put this back so nobody knows. Alright, so we gotta make sure and wash these mushrooms. Because there's all kinds of rat shit on them. Gonna cut up an onion. Now, you could do this under running water, but I need to cry. And my DVD of Steel Magnolias is back in Arkansas. So now that we've got all the sweet potatoes chopped up, let's put them in a bowl here. And I'm going to cover them with olive oil and some red chili flake. They can kind of marinate in that for a minute. That's going to make sure that they get crispy all around. And a little bit spicy with the sweet. Helps balance it out. It's the good for your body. It's the good for your skins. Take the garlic, smash it. Butter.
And add some garlic. And we add the sweet potatoes.
Now, sweet potatoes are really dense and they take a long time to cook. So what I'm going to do is pre-cook them in this butter garlic sauce. And then once they get a little bit done, I'm going to transfer them into the oven so they get nice and soft. And to make sure the meat is good and tender, we'll beat the shit out of it. The potatoes are cooked for a little bit. I'm just going to put them into this pan, but try to save the sauce because we're going to cook the steaks in that at first. And then we'll transfer everything to the oven. Go ahead and pop this in the oven. And in the same butter, garlic, pepper, we're going to put the steak. We're also going to add the mushrooms. Now the mushrooms have a lot of moisture and they're going to cook down quite a bit. But cooking them in the juice with the steak is going to be really nice. Same thing with the onions. Getting sodas. Okay, so you can see having the heavy lid on there locks in the heat, so it cooks it pretty quickly, but I don't want to overcook it because I like my steak medium. So I'm going to switch it to the oven and then we'll let it finish off for about 15 minutes. Ready to just take this whole pan, put it right into our oven pan, turn that on, and spread the onions and mushrooms around a little bit so they get the flavor in the potatoes. And then we'll finish this off in the oven for about 15 minutes and we should be good to go. Turned out pretty good. Looks nice. So we got a little spinach salad with some sesame dressing. Just to keep it nice and fresh. Then a little more Himalayan sea salt. Just top it off. And bon appetit.
Tastes like shit.